Hi, my name is Noraini Aris. I'm from Singapore. What makes me a food hero? I just simply love food. Okay, not only that, I simply love to share with everyone great food, great moment to create happiness and satisfaction in everyone's tummy. Okay, I always believe food is our heritage. To know and understand your roots makes you understand your heritage better, and from there you can create all sorts of awesome food to create vibes of memory in everyone's mind and tummy. This create a great smile, carve a great moment of memory in everybody. Everyone, you just need one person to mention that one good food created by yourself, and everyone just go, oh yes, yeah, that's a good food, yeah. You know, it's a talk of the town. Create a good food, yeah, I tell you, you'll never regret having to eat good food, having to keep great memories, creating good moments of the tummy in the mind. Well, that's what I tell you. It's a great satisfaction that will live with you forever. Alright? So what makes me a food hero? Good food, believing in heritage, and remembering the roots. Good day!
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space.
they can cook. Okay, listen. I want to know how many of you love cooking and baking. Put up your hands. Wow, all of you. Okay, who loves to eat? Put up your hands. Wow, who loves to clean? Not many, yeah. Okay. First things first. I want to know. Before you cook and you bake, and before you touch your food, prepare your food, what must you do? Very good. Wash your hands. How long must you wash your hands? Not the water. No, that's wasting water. Must you use your soap? How much soap? One what? 100. That's too much. Okay, I will be teaching you how to make pocket sandwich. Pocket sandwich where you will use cookie cutters, okay, to cut two pieces of sandwich together, and they will be